Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Store error, that is 0x80070483. So if you are receiving this error code with Microsoft Store, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run antivirus or Windows security scan. So if you have any third-party antivirus like Norton, McAfee, Bitdefender, so if you have any antivirus, go ahead and run a scan. And in case if you are using Windows security, then go to the start menu, then click on settings, then click on update and security, then click on Windows security, and then click on virus and threat protection, and then click on scan options, and then select full scan, and then click on scan now. And once the full scan is complete, you can go ahead and try to open Microsoft Store. Now still you are facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and run Windows Store Troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings, go to update and security, and then click on troubleshoot, then click on additional troubleshooter, scroll down, and over here you can see Windows Store apps. Click on run the troubleshooter, and once the troubleshoot is complete, you can go ahead and try to open Microsoft Store. Now still you are facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and run store cache command. You have to go ahead and clear the store cache using wsreset command. So type in wsreset in Windows search box, and then click on wsreset. Make a right click on wsreset, then click on run as administrator, and you will see this black screen. So do not close this black screen. It will take some time for this black screen to go away. So once this black screen is gone, it will open Microsoft Store once again. So just wait for few seconds or maybe a minute. Now over here you can see the black screen is gone and it's opening Microsoft Store, and you can start using Microsoft Store. Still you are facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and update Windows 10. For this, go to the start menu, then click on Windows 10 settings, go to update and security, and then click on check for update. And once the update is installed, restart your computer and then try to use Store. The next step is to reset Store app. For this, again open Windows 10 settings, then go to apps, and then over here in search box, go ahead and type in Store, and then click on Microsoft Store, then click on advanced options, scroll down, and over here you can see the reset option. Click on reset, and once the reset is done, you can go ahead and try to use Store. And also make sure the date and time is correct on your computer. So on the bottom right over here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on the date and time, and then click on adjust date and time, and make sure set time automatically and set time zone automatically is on over here. Then click on sync now, and then try to open Microsoft Store. The next step is to restart Windows Update, Microsoft Store install, and background intelligence service. For this, go ahead and type in services in Windows search box, and then click on services. Now over here you can go ahead and find Windows Update services. So scroll down, over here you can see Windows Update. So make a double click on Windows Update. Make sure startup type is set to automatic, then click on apply, and if start is highlighted, click on start, and then click on OK. And with Windows Update selected over here, click on restart the service, and do the same thing with Microsoft Store install service. So find Microsoft Store install service, make a double click, make sure startup type is set to automatic, and then click on apply. And if start is highlighted, click on start, then click on OK. And with Microsoft Store install service selected over here, click on restart the service, and do the same thing with background intelligence service. So make a double click on background intelligent transfer service, then select automatic, then click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. And with this selected, you can go ahead and click on restart the service, and then you can go ahead and try to open Microsoft Store. Still you are facing the problem. You can go ahead and re-register Store. For this, copy this command. The command is provided in the video description. Open this command, copy this command, then open PowerShell. So make a right click on the Windows start menu, make a right click, then click on Windows PowerShell admin. Make sure that you're opening PowerShell as an admin. So click on it, then click on yes to allow, and then paste the first command over here, then hit the enter key. Once this is done, copy the second command over here, and then paste it over here, and then hit the enter key, and then try to open Store. The next step is to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store. So for this, copy this command. All the commands are provided in the video description. Now make a right click on the start menu, then click on Windows PowerShell admin, click on it, then click on yes to allow, and then paste the first command. This command will go ahead and uninstall Microsoft Store from your computer. So hit the enter key, and now you can see the store will not open. So if I click on Microsoft Store, it will not open up. Now after this, you go ahead and restart your computer. So go to the start menu, click on the power icon, then click on restart, and after the system restart, then copy the second command. This will go ahead and reinstall Microsoft Store on your computer. So make a right click on the start menu, then click on Windows PowerShell admin, click on yes to allow, and then run the second command, paste it over here, then hit the enter key. This will go ahead and reinstall Microsoft Store. Now you can go ahead and type in store in Windows search box and try to open store. It might take a couple of seconds to come up, so you can go ahead and type in store once again, and here you can see Microsoft Store, and it will open up and you should be able to use Microsoft Store. Now still you are facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and run these two commands. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow, then run the first command, that is scan. You have to go ahead and run this scan. So paste it in command prompt window and then hit the enter key. And once this scan is 100% complete, run the second scan. So let the scan complete. Once this is 100% complete, copy the second command and then paste it over here in the same command prompt window, hit the enter key, and once the second scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer and then open store. The next step is to run inetcpl.cpl command. So type in inetcpl.cpl, then click on inetcpl.cpl, and then go to the advanced tab. Scroll down. Over here you can see use TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3. Make sure all these are checked over here. If any one of them is unchecked, go ahead and check it and then click on apply, OK, and then try to use Microsoft Store. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and update Windows 10 using media creation tool. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. Scroll down. Over here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now, and once the download is complete, run the exe file, and once you run the exe file, you will see this screen. So click on accept, and by default upgrade this PC now would be selected. So click on next and then let the download complete. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. So this process will take time. So let the download complete. Once the download is complete, before the installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked over here. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. You can click on install, and after the installation you can go ahead and try to open Microsoft Store. Now in case nothing is working, you can go ahead and reset Windows 10. Now this has worked for many users, but this is the last option. If nothing is working, you can go ahead and reset Windows 10. That should definitely go ahead and fix the problem. So to reset, go to start menu, then click on settings. Now before you perform reset, make sure that you create a backup first. So go ahead and create a backup for all your data, because this may result in data loss. So go to update and security, and then click on recovery, and then over here you can see the option which says reset this PC. Click on get started, and then over here you can see two options. One is keep my files, the second option is remove everything. When you keep your files, it will remove application and settings, but it will keep your personal files. When you select remove everything, it will remove all your personal files, application and setting. So you can go ahead and select this option. At least you can get the data. So still to be on safer side, just create a backup. So click on keep my files, and after this you can go ahead and select local reinstall, and then you can click on next and proceed with the reinstallation of your Windows on the computer. And after the reinstallation, set up your computer, and then you can go ahead and open store. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get rid of this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.